Hello dear students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be discussing about the gas laws. So friends, let's first start with what do we mean by gas laws. Gas laws are simply laws which govern the behavior of gases with respect to volume, temperature and pressure, which means that gas laws are the specific rules which are followed by the gas when they are subjected to change in temperature, volume and pressure. So now friends, as we saw that the behavior of gases changes on changing the conditions, right? So let us now discuss the parameters that actually affect the behavior of gases. The first parameter is volume. And what is volume? Volume is the space occupied by a fixed mass of gas. And as we know that gases do not have a definite volume, right? But they occupy the volume of the container. And what is the SI unit of volume? Yes, the SI unit of volume is meter cube. The next parameter that affects the behavior of gas is temperature. Temperature is the measure of the average kinetic energy of the molecules. And friends, the kinetic energy of molecules increases with increase in temperature. And what is the SI unit of temperature? Yes, it is degree Celsius or Kelvin. The next parameter is pressure. And pressure is simply the force exerted by molecules per unit area. It is the average force that is exerted by the gas molecules on the walls of the container per unit area of the container. And what is the SI unit of pressure? Yes, it is Pascal. So friends, here we saw that we have different parameters, right, which actually affect the behavior of gases, right? So there are three variables, right, which affect the behavior of gases. Which are they? Yes, the first one is volume. The second one is pressure, exactly. And which is the third variable? Yes, it is temperature. So these are the three variables which actually affect the behavior of gases. So if you change any one of the parameters, it brings about a change in the other two variables also. Which means that if you bring about a change in the volume, it eventually affects the pressure as well as the temperature. To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.